Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Now guys, as usual, let's take a look at the gold market. Gold market is the currency market, also have dropped in relation to the United States dollar based on the Fed hawkish comments on the rate hiking in December. But guys, our thought is that this drop mostly is a temporal action, just by two reasons. The first reason is in relation to the Fed rate hiking possibility. So we have discussed this many times already, and we even have provided some extended part dedicated to this topic in one of our weekly researches. The major condition is we think that this rate hiking mostly is a deadlock, because we do not see that the Fed will continue rate hiking cycle after this possible rate hiking in December. It seems that they just have to do this because they have long time were preparing the market for this rate hiking, and everybody already expects this rate hiking, and they just would like to say that just here is rate hiking and just leave us alone. So they just would like to rate this hike this rate and then turn to another policy, the Fed policy. So that's why this drop on the gold market yesterday, in fact, is the pricing in the possibility of rate hiking in December. But take a look at how mild this drop was. So market mostly taken the price, the rate hike in the December, but the gold dropped just to the 1155 area. So it's very small action. And now imagine what will happen if Fed will hike the rate in December, since this event already has been priced in, and nobody promises you to continue the rate hiking. Probably the gold will rise in the event of this rate hiking, since it already has dropped on the possible increasing of the rate. And the second, imagine what will happen if they will not rise the rate in December. That will be just a very, very bullish sign for the gold market. Anyway, we think that taking into consideration this moment, the second object, we think that the Fed Reserve policy right now is the secondary, the driving factor. It's not the major factor, and we think that the major point right now is the geopolitics and growing tensions and uncertainty in the world. It's a major supportive factor for the gold right now, and that's probably could explain this really mild reaction on the comments from the Fed, because gold really has another kind of the support, and this is only the small part of the overall sentiment. I mean the Fed policy right now. They were the determinant. They were the major factor 3-4 months ago, but right now situation is changing. That's why we expect that in the nearest future, maybe some weeks will pass, or maybe even faster, gold probably will erase this drop, and we expect that further upward action in the gold market. Because take a look, the market just has reached the level that we have specified in the weekly research. We said, well, this is just initial level that we have discussed. So this range between the tops, we said, is probably the first level that market could reach. It's 1155. But even if we said if market will drop even 1120, this will not be the strategy. This will not be the raising of the bullish sentiment. This will be deep retracement, right? We do not want to see it. But dealing with the big ABCDs, patrons in general, let's market show the deep 618 retracements. But take a look, that's on the roll down stands another significant support. It's 1140 is the confidence support on the daily chart. But market, even based on the Fed comments, has dropped just to the 1155. This tells us that probably in the nearest future, not maybe on the current week, but on the next week, we could expect a slow erasing of this drop and possible further upward action. So on the forward time frame chart, guys, I would like to attract your attention to our recent comments. You could see here how it is useful to get the clear conditions in what you would like to take the long position. Recall what was said yesterday. We need to completing of the two moments. First of all is the taking out of this top and breaking through the from this fib level. And second, on retracement down, market should stop out of the flag pattern. Market has completed our first condition, so it created a reversal swing before the Fed comments, maybe on some closing of the shorts. But later, market wasn't able to hold above the flag, and that's why we should not enter any long positions here. So when you have the clear setups, what you would like to see, it's very, very helpful when you're watching on the market, because you already know in advance what you would like to see and what you see right now. By matching this to the reality and your expectation, you could take the clear decisions on the market. So what we have right now, despite that market has returned back inside of the flag, it's of course looks like a bearish moment, but take a look. That market within the current week, it remains inside of the pivots. So take a look. This was first has tested the pivot resistance one. Now it dropped to the pivot support one, but hasn't broken it down. Also, guys, take a look. Market still scoring around our conference support 1157 on the forward time chart. So today, probably, guys, we will get some kind of the day relief session. So market probably will be a bit calm. So right now, after this solid drop, and since we don't have any patterns yet on the market, we just need to keep watching. So let's see what will happen, how market will respond on this drop, whether to remain inside of the flag or not. If it will drop lower, then we should be ready for the next conference support reaching area. If it will stand inside of it, we should see what will happen. If market returns back up and raise this thrusting action, that will be our signal for a possible taking the long position.